Okay, these are absolutely delicious. I can't believe I have waited this long to make these. They are incredible, so delicious, and really easy to make. Today we're making some delicious keto carnivore muffins. These are keto compliant, they are carnivore compliant. If you're doing carnivore with keto macros, they are absolutely perfect because they are higher in fat, moderated in protein, and they are absolutely delicious. So it only takes 3 ingredients, some egg yolks, baking powder, and butter, but you can use any fat that you like. If you prefer coconut oil or beef suet or tallow, anything will work for this. I use butter because it is what I prefer, and I also ate them at the end with some fresh butter on there, and they were absolutely divine. I love them. Now, I'm not huge on making these kinds of carb replacement types of treats on keto or carnivore, but something like this is a super versatile recipe for making sandwiches, for making buns, which makes them really family friendly and super delicious. Anyone will like these, whether they're keto or low carb or not, because they are so tasty and delicious and healthy. So you can make these as, you know, little hamburger buns, little sandwiches, and or just top them with some butter like I did and eat them like that. And I haven't had any kind of like bread and butter type of things in years, and this was a really, really nice treat. I mean, you barely tell that they are different from regular ones, but you know eating them how much more nutritious they are. So I'm so excited to share these with you guys today. Let me know if you try them out and let me know how you like them. It's a super simple recipe. I made them just with 6 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of butter, and about 2/3 of a teaspoon of baking powder. So you can kind of change things up depending on how you like things. You could make them instead with 4 or 5 whole eggs. They would probably work about the same. You could use different kinds of fats, put in other ingredients in there, like some sugar-free chocolate chips if you're making them for your family. There's so many fun things that you can do with these. All right, guys, so let's get into it. I'll show you guys how easy they are to make, and it really is just a 10-minute recipe. I just baked them for 9 minutes at about 350 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius. Super easy, super convenient, and not a whole lot of cleanup afterwards either. So let's get started, and I'll show you guys how I made them. Alrighty, so I've got 6 egg yolks here, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and about close to a teaspoon, about 2/3 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and I've got a muffin tin here that I have greased. So I'm going to blend this together and we'll see how many muffins it will make. This is my first time trying it, so we will see here. And I learned about these from Becky, Niles, and Sarah Carnivore Yogi. So I'm not sure how many it will make, maybe 4 or 5, 6, but I'll make sure to use up all of this batter, and it looks well blended. So let's see, you put them about 1/4 of the mixture in, the batter in there. I don't know if they'll rise up to about double or so, but it would be nice if it made a bunch of them. Add a little bit more in this first one here, and maybe I will just stick with the 6 and just top these off a little. And that should make 6 little buns, carnivore buns, high-fat buns. And there's so many different things you can do with these. So I preheated the oven to about 350 or 175, and I'm gonna pop these in there. All right, so they've been in for 9 minutes. I'm just sort of guesstimating here, but they look golden brown. So I think that is actually the perfect time, and I had them at 175 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. There they are. They look yummy. I'm gonna let them cool a little bit, and then I will slice them. Okay, these are absolutely delicious. I can't believe I have waited this long to make these. They are incredible, so delicious, and really easy to make. I'm going to enjoy them now for the rest of my lunch. But let me know if you try them out. They are absolutely amazing.